Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check mentions on Instagram. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials or create a new account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the inbox icon in the top right corner, which is represented by a messenger icon. Tap on it. Now, you're in your Instagram inbox, where you can see all your chats and conversations. To find a mention, look for the message from the user who mentioned you. Tap on that conversation to open the chat. You should see the mention message right there. Simply tap on it to view the mention. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.